Also this midday, lawmakers are now working to reopen the federal government after failing to avert a shutdown overnight. Congress once again meeting this morning to continue efforts to forge a deal. ABC's Olivia Rubin has more.
Today, Democrats and Republicans arriving on Capitol Hill to a bitter stalemate. Last night, Republicans advancing a bill to temporarily fund the government, but only 2 Democrats joined them, so it failed to pass.
There's still time for Democrats to pass this clean bipartisan bill that's sitting before them, and we encourage our Democrat colleagues to do that.
Democrats' own bill shot down by Republicans, too. They're holding out support until Republicans reverse Medicaid cuts they pushed through in the so-called Big Beautiful Bill and extend Affordable Health Care Act tax credits to stop health care premiums from going up for millions.
Democrats are united in our resolve to make sure that we cancel the cuts. We're in the midst of an incredible crisis, a health care crisis that Republicans have caused.
But there's no sign Republicans will budge either. The question now, how long can this last?
Republicans control the Senate, the House, and the White House. They must have a plan to solve this.
And this morning, the White House putting $18 billion worth of funding for New York City infrastructure on hold.
We can do things during the shutdown that are irreversible, that are bad for them and irreversible by them.
With every passing day, the effects of the shutdown expected to worsen. Hundreds of thousands of employees furloughed. Up to 4 million federal workers could go without pay, including the military. Workers deemed essential, like TSA employees, forced to work without pay.
Child care does not take IOUs. Gasoline does not take IOUs. Your house payments do not take IOUs.
And with lawmakers back on Capitol Hill this morning, there is more finger pointing than there is problem solving. The last shutdown was 7 years ago and lasted 35 days. Olivia Rubin, ABC News, Capitol Hill.
New York's 2 senators, Chuck Schumer and Kirsten Gillibrand, voted against the GOP spending plan last night. Gillibrand spoke out this morning on the shutdown. She's demanding work be done to reopen the government and keep government workers paid.
Federal employees are public servants that serve our public and help people. And it's total BS that this administration doesn't want to pay them for the work they do every day. And a lot of people, particularly our service members, do live paycheck to paycheck. They don't earn a lot of money. And without these resources, they're going to be in very tough situations.
Gillibrand also spoke on the risk of rising health care costs, saying without an extension, Affordable Care Act enhanced tax credits will expire at the end of the year.